everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I want to start today with a question.
Ooh, I love when we start with a question.
Have you ever stood in the lift with someone in complete silence?
Both of you staring at the doors,
Counting the floors?
willing it to go faster.
Yes, that silence.
The most uncomfortable silence in human history.
And it happens every day.
At the office, at the bus stop, in the queue at the supermarket.
You want to say something.
But nothing comes out.
And in English, that feeling is 10 times worse.
Because even if you think of something to say,
You're not sure how to say it,
or if it's appropriate,
or if they'll understand you,
so you say nothing.
and stare at the lift doors.
Together, in silence.
Today, that changes.
I'm Sam,
And I'm Emma.
and today we are talking about small talk
The art of casual conversation,
with people you don't know well.
or people you see every day but never really talk to.
Your neighbor, your colleague, the person at the coffee shop.
Small talk is everywhere.
And mastering it in English?
Opens every door.
Every single one.
Sam, small talk disaster. Tell me.
Oh, I have so many.
Best one.
Okay, I was at a work event, standing near the food table.
Classic location.
A colleague came and stood next to me.
Okay.
We both reached for the same spring roll at the exact same time.
Oh no!
And she said, "Great minds think alike."
Oh, that's a lovely thing to say.
I had no idea what it meant. So I just said, "Thank you."
Thank you for what?
I have absolutely no idea. She looked confused, I looked confused, and then we both just walked away.
In opposite directions.
Very quickly.
Oh, Sam.
Small talk went very wrong.
But today, no more walking away.
No more confused thank yous
We are going to make small talk feel natural.
in English.
Before we dive in, though,
If the Lingo Listen feels like your daily English coffee break,
we love that.
please give this video a like
Subscribe so you never miss a new episode,
and share this with someone who goes quiet in social situations.
because this episode is exactly what they need.
Okay, let's talk about what small talk actually is.
Because a lot of people misunderstand it.
Small talk is not deep conversation
It's not about solving problems.
or sharing your deepest thoughts.
It's about connection.
A small human moment with another person.
It says, I see you. You're not invisible to me.
And that is actually really beautiful.
When you think about it that way.
It is. It completely changes how it feels.
So, small talk is not fake.
It's kind.
Now, the most classic small talk topic in the English language.
The weather.
Of course.
The weather is always acceptable small talk
Everywhere, with anyone, at any time.
because everyone experiences it.
And everyone has an opinion about it.
Here are some weather small talk phrases.
Cold today, isn't it?
Notice the isn't it at the end.
That's called a question tag.
It invites the other person to agree.
Or add something.
Cold today, isn't it? Yes, freezing. I can't wait for summer.
And suddenly you have a conversation.
From 5 words.
Other weather openers.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Awful weather we're having.
Awful means very bad, terrible.
Can you believe this rain?
Very British.
Very, but used everywhere.
Finally, some sunshine.
Said with a smile, works every time.
Let's do a quick weather small talk scene.
Okay, bus stop, raining.
I'll be the stranger.
And I'll start the conversation.
Ready.
Can you believe this rain?
I know, I didn't even bring an umbrella.
Me neither. Classic mistake.
Every single time, the moment you leave it at home?
It pours.
Exactly. Is this your bus too?
The number 12? Yes.
Oh great, hopefully it comes soon.
Fingers crossed.
And new acquaintance made.
From talking about rain.
5 lines, that's all.
And notice fingers crossed.
What does that mean?
It means I hope so. I'm wishing for good luck.
Very casual, very English.
People say it all the time.
Now, let's talk about small talk at work.
Because this is where most people need it most.
The office kitchen, the hallway, before a meeting starts.
Those few minutes where you need something to say.
And the most common small talk topic?
The weekend.
On Mondays, everyone asks about the weekend.
How was your weekend?
The most classic Monday morning phrase.
And on Fridays,
Any plans for the weekend?
or got anything nice planned?
Got anything nice planned? So natural.
Very British, but used everywhere.
Now, how do you answer these?
Because a lot of people just say, fine, you? Which ends the conversation immediately. Instead, add a tiny detail.
Just one small thing.
It was really nice, actually. We went to a new restaurant on Saturday.
Now they can respond.
Oh, really? What was it like?
Conversation flowing.
Or, it went too fast, honestly. I barely left the sofa.
Ha, relatable.
And they'll laugh and say, same, I needed that.
Connection made. Over a lazy weekend.
One small detail. That's the secret.
Let's practice Monday morning small talk.
Okay, office kitchen, Monday. I'll be the colleague.
And I'll answer with detail.
Morning, how was your weekend?
Really good, actually. We took the kids to the park on Sunday. First time this year the weather was nice enough.
Oh, that sounds lovely. How old are your kids?
4 and 7, they had the best time.
Aw, that's so nice. I need to get outside more.
Ha, same. What about you? Good weekend?
Pretty quiet, just caught up on some sleep, honestly.
Sometimes that's exactly what you need.
Exactly. Right, better get back to it.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too, see you later.
And perfect Monday morning small talk.
Natural, warm, human.
And notice the ending.
Better get back to it.
That means I should go back to work.
A very natural way to end a conversation.
Have a good one means have a good day.
Very casual, very common.
Now let's talk about keeping a conversation going.
Because sometimes you start well,
And then silence.
and you don't know what to say next.
The secret is follow-up questions.
When someone says something, ask about it.
They mention a restaurant. Oh, what was it like?
They mention their children. How old are they?
They mention a trip. Oh, where did you go?
These are called follow-up questions.
And they show you are listening.
And interested.
And people love talking about themselves.
Everyone does.
So ask, and then listen.
And react.
We talked about reactions in our Friends episode.
And they work here too.
Oh, really?
That sounds amazing.
I've always wanted to try that.
I know exactly what you mean.
Oh no, what happened?
These little reactions keep everything flowing.
Now let's talk about small talk topics that always work.
Beyond weather and weekends.
Food.
Everyone loves talking about food.
Have you tried that new cafe on the high street?
I've been eating so much lately, I blame the cold weather.
Relatable.
TV shows and films.
Are you watching anything good at the moment?
I just finished this series. It was so good.
Any recommendations? I need something new to watch.
People get so excited about their favorite shows.
It's instant energy.
Local things.
Did you hear they're opening a new gym nearby?
Have you been to that market they do on Sundays?
Things about the place you both share.
Shared experience topics always work.
Because you're both in the same situation.
And upcoming things.
Are you doing anything nice this weekend?
Any plans for the holidays?
Looking forward to the long weekend?
Future plans give people something positive to talk about.
And positive conversations feel good.
Now, let's talk about ending small talk.
Because it has to end at some point.
And a lot of people don't know how.
So here are natural ways to wrap up.
Anyway, I should let you get on.
Let you get on means I'll let you continue with what you were doing.
Right, better get moving.
Casual, natural,
It was lovely chatting. Have a great day.
warm, and final.
We should catch up properly sometime.
Catch up means have a longer conversation soon.
And then, take care. See you around.
Perfect ending.
Let's do one final full small talk scene.
Coffee shop queue, 2 people waiting.
I'll start.
And I'll be the other person in the queue.
Looking at the menu board, there are so many choices here. I never know what to get.
Same. I always get the same thing just to avoid deciding.
What do you usually get?
A flat white, every time. Zero creativity.
At least you know what you like.
True. Are you a regular here?
I try not to be. My bank account disagrees, though.
Tell me about it. The coffee here is just too good.
Exactly. Worth every penny.
That's what I keep telling myself.
Right. I think I'll just copy you. Flat white it is.
Excellent choice. You won't regret it.
Good. Anyway, have a great morning.
You too. Enjoy the coffee.
I definitely will. Take care.
And that was beautiful small talk.
From a menu board.
That's all it took.
One observation, one shared feeling,
A few laughs.
and a warm goodbye.
That is small talk done perfectly.
Okay, full recap. Everything from today.
Weather small talk.
Cold today, isn't it? Can you believe this rain? Finally, some sunshine.
Weekend small talk.
How was your weekend? Got anything nice planned? It was really nice, actually.
Keeping conversation going.
Follow-up questions, reactions, one small detail.
Topics that always work.
Weather, weekends, food, TV, local things, upcoming plans.
Ending small talk naturally.
Anyway, I should let you get on. It was lovely chatting. Take care.
That is your complete small talk toolkit.
And one more thing.
What?
Small talk gets easier every single time you do it.
Every time.
The first time is the hardest.
After that, it starts to feel natural.
And one day, you won't even think about it.
You'll just talk.
Like it's the most normal thing in the world.
Because it is.
So next time you're in that lift,
With that silence,
look at the person next to you
smile,
and say, "Cold today, isn't it?"
2 seconds of courage,
That's all it takes.
and the silence disappears.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
This was such a good one.
If this helped you feel ready to start a conversation in English,
Please give this video a like.
subscribe for a new episode every week.
And leave us a comment below.
Tell us, what is your most awkward small talk moment?
We genuinely want to know.
Share this with someone who goes quiet in social situations.
This is exactly what they need.
We will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, everyone.